Howdy y'all, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're in front of the Lumen in Houston, Texas. The Lumen is a luxury Houston apartment. It's recently opened, and so what we're gonna do is we're gonna give you a tour. This is gonna be a very detailed tour, like you're actually here in person. So frankly, if you watch this tour, you're not gonna really need to come in person because we're capturing everything you would see and more. So we're going to go inside. We're going to see actually two models. We're going to see all the amenities. We're even going to see things like the garage. So we'll capture it all. We're going to put it all on one playlist on YouTube on this channel. So if you're watching this, you probably can just literally let the channel roll and let the playlist roll and see everything about this apartment. If you're not a regular subscriber to our channel, I want you to go ahead and subscribe to our channel right now. We are always filming the most beautiful apartments in Houston. We love filming luxury high-rises, luxury mid-rises, and penthouse apartments. So subscribe to our channel and also like any videos that you see that you like. So if you like this one, go ahead and like it. It tells us that what we need to know about, hey, here, produce more of these. So the more you like, the more we produce something similar. Now, let's go ahead and pop inside of the Lumen and take a look at all the beauty of the Lumen.